Hey Crafty, what does the bumper sticker on the car in front of us say? Don't honk, I will cry. Flicker, no! They loaded the gun. They took the safety off. They wrote their own fate when they gave that gun to me. Satisfied? Very.